Hello student, today we are going to learn landscape using little bit of patterns. See, here I have used slanting line patterns. Here for the tree stem, I had used very giggly texture here and dots here. Here I had used line. Here I had used cross crease lines and flowers according to your choice you can make it. Chalo, let's start. First, draw with the pencil. Now, draw the house first. As you like, you can draw your house. Tree also you can draw as you like. Flowers as you like you can draw. Whichever flower you like you can draw for yourself. Chalo, let's start with the coloring. You can use the pencil colors or crayons. Whichever you like, you can go for the coloring. Let's start with the sky. First, I'm going to give a light color. Children, whenever you are going, go in one direction. Even something is coming in between also, don't change the direction. Go in one direction only. Please children, try to maintain the direction. See, after giving the sky, I'm just going to give a texture like a round shape. Okay, just to give a look. After that, just look to the tree, how I'm going to make a texture. First, I'm giving very light color to the stem. Pencil, okay, and make a curve lines. See how I had done like a chakli to all the stem. This way I'm using the patterns in the tree. Same way you can go for the light color. See, first I had given the light color. Now I'm going to add some patterns like this. Slanting line. Now for this tree also I'm going to, some of leaves are picking up from the other side. For this also I'm going to give different thing. Just going curve and curve. See, small, big, small, you can go, okay, this way. Now for the house, you can go with the colorful thing also. See, house color you can give as you like. Now first give light color and then dark color. In between I'm going to give light color this way. Understood? Here I'm going to give light color again. Okay, here light and here little bit of dark green. Here little light and here dark. So this way you're going to complete your whole picture. I'm going to show you this, how I'm going to color it in two colors. This you understood now? First I will show this. I'm going half a color, dark color. See, I've given dark color, now I'm going to give light color. This way you can do the shading also in this. See, this way, and after completing, you can go for the black outline. Or before starting color, you can first do the outline like this. Before doing the coloring, you can go for outline, or after coloring also. Okay, complete your color. See, like this. I had already prepared for you. So this way, you are going to complete the coloring work. So enjoy your coloring work and click your photo and send to me. I'm going to mention my email ID in the Dropbox. Please check that and please complete your work nicely. If you don't have your drawing book now, please draw into your drawing page or rub book. When you get your drawing book, you can draw in the drawing book. Till then, take care, enjoy your drawing and be safe. Take care. Bye, student.